Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to be doing a quick review and setup for this JBL Link Portable. Let's do it right now. So this is the JBL Link Portable. This is the new speaker from JBL with Google Assistant that replaces the JBL Link 10. That was our old portable speaker, about the same size, but they had all sorts of problems with the charging port on the back. Now, we chose the black model, but this also comes in blue and gray. And as you can see right out of the box, it's a really good looking speaker. It's got some heft. You can really feel the weight to it. It's got a 360 degree speaker radius, so you got sound on all sides. As you can see, it's Google Assistant included, so you can speak to it. And again, what's nice about these speakers is they're portable, so we can bring it outside with us if we're doing a workout. We can bring it in the trailer if we're camping, all sorts of good things like that. Now, this is rated waterproof for up to a meter for 30 minutes. And that's kind of nice. You can get it a little bit wet, but again, don't go drowning this thing because it is compromised if you really bring it down to any kind of depth. We also have a quick start guide as well as some warning guides that come with. And this is new that was not included in the old Link 10. This is a little charging dock. And as you can see, you've got the little USB cable, USB-C cable that comes with it. It's got that nice JBL logo on it. And this is going to go inside your little dock, and this is going to really help with that charging port integrity that JBL was struggling with on the Link 10. Again, you can see there's our little charging dock on the bottom there, the connectors, and that's just going to set right down on top of the dock. And then once that USB-C cable is connected to that, again, the connectivity is going to automatically start charging this guy. Now, with a full charge, it's rated up to 8 hours of portable playtime, meaning you don't have to have it plugged in, and you'll get that 8 hours of playtime before it needs to be recharged. It does support AirPlay 2, as well as hands-free help from the Google Assistant, as we mentioned. It's also got wireless streaming via the Bluetooth function on the back. So that's kind of nice. You can actually, if you don't want to connect it to the internet, you can just connect via Bluetooth. Again, if you're out camping somewhere and don't have internet conductivity. So as far as the speaker is concerned, there's a few main buttons here. Obviously, again, on the bottom, we've got that charging conductivity. We also have Bluetooth functionality. We've got a mic, mute and unmute if you don't want to use Google Assistant. We have the power button that you can press and hold to bring it on. We also have a new little battery indicator bar panel down here, and that'll show you exactly how much the thing is charged, how much battery life remains, and then our USB-C port. Otherwise, on the top, we have the Google Assistant button, as well as two input microphones on either side there, as well as the volume plus or minus buttons there. Again, if you want to use Google Assistant, you can push and hold this for 2 seconds, and Google Assistant will come on. Otherwise, you can enable it in settings, and Google Assistant will always be on. And again, it really does feel nice. A nice cloth kind of speaker cover here, some good weight to it. And I think this is going to be nice and durable with some great sound. Again, we'll give that a nice good check here once we get the setup to complete. Okay, now that we've taken a peek at what's all included with the speaker, let's go ahead and start the setup process. Now, one of the things you will need to do in preparation for being able to use either Apple Home or the Google Assistant is download those specific apps for your mobile device. Now, the first thing we need to do is get power to the speaker. This can be done 2 ways. Either we can set the charging cable directly into the USB-C port on the speaker, or we can use the charging dock right here. Now I'm going to choose the charging dock because, again, pulling the speaker in and out of that USB-C port on the Link 10 really ended up messing that up. So I'm going to be using the dock this time. All right, so let's take a look at the dock. Basically what I did is I just took that USB-C end and I stuck it directly underneath into that port, ran the wire out that little slot there, and now we're going to stick this into a normal USB adapter that goes into your wall outlet. So let's go plug this in where we're going to be keeping this speaker, and we'll get it all set up. So we received this old gramophone from my grandparents when they were getting rid of some of their old antique furniture. It's a super, super cool piece. and we have it in our main living room. Now, obviously we don't have the main player function that goes right here that attaches to the horn that's down inside the main unit. But we thought, hey, if we put a speaker right here, we'll get the same kind of effect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the dock up here. Again, unfortunately, the out-of-box version of the speaker does not come with these little power adapters. It just comes with the cable. So I had an extra one. I'm just going to plug it in there. And then we've got a little outlet down there that I'm just going to plug this straight into. Okay, you can see I ran the wire from the back of the gramophone down here to the docking port. And now all we need to do is take our speaker with it even powered off here, and I'm just going to set it down on that dock. And once we have it set there, it will start initiating power. Now, again, this is, you can see the lights kind of coming on in the Bluetooth conductivity mode. Now, what's cool about this dock is you can actually have this any direction. It doesn't matter as long as it's seated down in there. So you can have it either 4 ways there. I'm going to keep it towards the front here so we can actually see our lights. Okay, so we're currently looking at the home screen of my Samsung S8. Now this will look very similar on an iPhone if you're using that platform. What we're going to do is go into the Google Home app. Now once the app opens up, we have a couple of options. We can first go up to that little plus button that's on the top left corner, or as you can see, Google has recognized that the speaker is trying to connect via Bluetooth, and it's going to give us that little quick option underneath the home button. And then we're going to need to turn on our Wi-Fi. So once Wi-Fi is turned on, it's going to start looking for devices that are connected to that same network. And as you can see, it's found the JBL Link Portable. Now that's the speaker we're going to connect to. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this will take just a moment for us to connect. Now you're going to hear a little chime sound that comes out of the speaker. And once you do, just go ahead and click that yes button. I'm going to skip this. And then we're going to assign this device to a specific room in our home. In this case, it's in our living room. And then we're going to connect the speaker directly to our Wi-Fi network. All right, and so now the Link Portable is connected to our Wi-Fi network, and this will be able to independently now give us Google Assistant access. Okay, so we're all set up, and again, you're not going to be able to get a full volume experience from this, but let's give this a test just so you can kind of get an idea. Hey Google, play some music.
Okay, music on Spotify. Here you go.
Hey Google, stop. All right, so there you go. That is the JBL Link Portable. The sound already sounds actually really, really great for a small little speaker. Again, this thing is super portable. We can take it outside. Love that. If you're interested in purchasing this, I will put a link in the description box below. If you use that, you help out the channel. And hey, would you guys hit that thumbs up button if this has helped you? We really want to make videos that are helpful for you guys, and smashing that like button lets us know we're doing that. Also hit subscribe because we've got a bunch more tutorial videos coming up really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching.